along here with my UTV, and something caught my eye, a showy flower. You can see the habitat here is a field bordering this oak hammock, and this area was probably at one time pine lands, oak hammocks and pine lands. We're a little bit further away from Lake Monroe, where the soil here is a little drier and a little more sandy. And the plant that I found is right here. It's called Centrosema virginianum, or butterfly pea, also known as bluebell, wild pea, spurred butterfly pea. It's a vine that has a twining habit. You can see these showy flowers. Flowers are interesting. These are upside down flowers, and they are highly specialized flower. It has an inverted banner, as you can see here. Usually these are, this part is on the bottom here. And it accommodates bees as pollinators, almost evolved specifically for different types of bees. Now the inflorescence usually includes 1 to 4 flowers. As you can see here, there's 4. And the flowers are bisexual, and they grow off an axillary peduncle, which is this stalk right here. They're perennials, and you can see the leaf arrangement is alternate pinnate, and you can see these leaves here. I guess I can try to stretch out a vine to show you. And these vines can get very long, 12 to 15 feet long. This plant flowers in the spring, April through November, kind of depending on where it's found. It likes part shade on a dry, moistish soil, so it likes a balanced soil, not too wet, not too dry. The coastal habitat is most of southeastern USA, Central America, coastal South America. You can see these flowers here. So butterfly pea, obviously it's in the Fabaceae family. It's a legume. And if you know about these plants, you know these are nitrogen fixing plants that are able to make nitrogen with bacteria in their roots. They fix it out of the air with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria that's just in the roots. And this plant is useful for stabilizing soil, loose soil. Their roots form extensive mats to help prevent erosion. So it's a useful plant and a beautiful one. The flowers range from lavender blue to pink to white. And I'll give you more details about the flower when I get back to the nursery. Pea, you can see right here, this large portion here on the edges, this is known as the banner or standard. And this portion here in the center is known as the keel. Inside this is housed the male and female flower parts. It has fused stamens terminating in a pistil, and then the ovary is located in there. And it sort of guides the bee in for landing. I don't know if you can see it too good, but on this flower, you can see right here, these are fused stamens. So here you can see the Centrosema refers to the spurs that are found at the base of the flowers. This one is long spurred, and you can see the spur right there. So this center part here is known as the keel, and then on either side of the keel are the wings. And inside this structure is housed the pollen bearing stamens, and then further down is the ovary. Centrosema virginianum butterfly pea.